Spy Ninjas, Mr. E broke into the safe house and left us 3 buckets and this envelope right here.
There's like 50 water balloons in mine and they're pink.
Okay, we're just gonna open this. Let's see what it says. Spy Ninjas, complete these challenges while maintaining social distancing guidelines. And I'll tell you where you can find the GKC school.
Well, I want to know where that is. Isn't it the school we went to?
Seems like that was definitely a school, GKC. And we know that it probably still exists somewhere, right?
If it does, we should go to it.
Yeah, I'll probably find out more information about my past and your past, Chad.
So we gotta do these challenges?
Number 1, water balloon obstacle course. Number 2, create viral TikTok. Number 3, don't flinch water balloon.
Well, they seem simple enough. Let's just do it.
Whoa, there's something set up outside. Let's go.
What?
Whoa, look what Mr. E set up. A huge obstacle course.
Whoa.
Okay, his instructions said V goes first, shortest to tallest. She's got to hold this full of water. Whoever can make it through the obstacle course with the most water in their cup wins. You have this to defend against water balloon attacks. The rest of us get to throw water balloons from water balloon stations. Are you ready, Regina?
Yes.
Oh, is she the shortest?
I said, Regina, are you ready to throw water balloons?
At the shortest.
At the shortest.
Be
Spy Ninja.
nice, be nice.
You can defend yourself with this. I'm gonna go throw some water balloons. Daniel, you follow V.
Uh-oh, be in water. She's going down.
Oh!
Good thing I have this. Ready? Guys, I'm kind of scared. You guys know how I deal with water. Now water's being thrown at me. What the heck?
It's gonna be so fun, Evie.
No, Daniel. I'm gonna smack some water balloons with this. This is gonna be my defense system. Count me down, Daniel.
All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go! There she goes. Oh! Oh! Go around the flag!
I got it!
You got it! Oh! Hey, don't hit me, guys! Ah! Oh! Okay, V, you crossed the finish line. Let me see your cup. Let me see how much water you spilled.
I got a lot left, Daniel.
Whoa, not too shabby.
Let me see.
Look at
Oh my
this.
goodness. It's right on the line, the top
Oh, that's a
line.
lot.
That's a lot.
Try to beat that, Chad.
Oh.
Regina, I
I'm
mean,
going
you're the
last.
next one.
I'm the tallest. I go last.
I got this.
Daniel, you want to throw some balloons?
You bet your
Regina?
bottom dollar, Chad.
I'll take that camera.
Before Regina starts, who got me in the leg?
I got more wet than you, V.
You weren't even in the game.
I wasn't even playing.
Daniel's big old body was blocking V.
Yeah.
That's why you're dry.
That's not fair.
My big old hunky body.
That's true. What's gonna be your strategy, Regina?
Slow and steady wins the race.
Oh, tortoise girl. How many balloons you got left here?
A lot. A grip load.
You're so young and hip. Young and hip with a grip load. Let's check out Daniel, I got another copycat here wearing my same shirt.
Yeah.
And my hat. I already dealt with one copycat yesterday, Daniel. Now I got you.
I was wearing this hat long before you were born, Chad. Check it out.
That makes total sense because it says CWC on it, so that's true. Okay, you got me there, Daniel. I don't mind if you copy me, Daniel, because you know why? You're cool. Hey, social distancing, don't punch my fist. Yeah, let's do a kick bump instead. Social distancing, kick bump! Okay, now it's Regina's turn. Regina, are you ready?
Yes. I got my cuppy right here.
Hey guys, I bet you Regina is gonna name her cup Mr. Cuppy. Okay, hang on one second.
Regina, what is the name of your cup?
Mr. Cuppy.
I told you, Mr. Cuppy.
What? Well, I'm ready for this. I'm gonna beat V.
What's how much water you got?
See that right there?
Oh my gosh, you got a lot of water. Don't spill it.
Slow and steady, I'm telling y'all. It's gonna work.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! Wow, she's really taking her time, guys. Whoa, someone's throwing balloons. Oh!
Stop it! My tushy not too big for this one.
Let's go.
Oh boy!
Stop it!
It didn't even break. Whoa! Got the camera all wet.
I'm gonna hit that cup of yours. No!
Oh, she spilled some water.
Oh, shoot!
My GoPro!
Oh no! It's okay, Regina. Don't worry about the GoPro.
Why does this challenge hurt so much? I want to be finished with this.
To the pole, to the pole.
Oh, jeez Louise, you guys are ruthless.
How'd you do, Regina?
Goodness gracious.
How much water you got in your cup?
I did better than V.
Oh my gosh, look at
After
that.
all that,
It's above the line.
I did it.
You know
what? We probably threw too many water balloons and they broke in there.
I'm very tempted to pour this on your face.
Yeah, but you don't have the guts.
Oh,
okay, never. Yeah.
Say that I'm the best hacker, and I won't do it.
I'm the best hacker and I won't do it.
Shut up!
Hey, he followed your rules.
I said it.
Are you ready, Daniel? You're the next tallest.
Oh, I'm ready. I was born to go through,
I'm convinced, Daniel. You're ready. Ladies are ready.
I think the key is to whack as many balloons as you can, even if it takes you 1 hour to get over there. Coming down.
3, 2, 1, go, Daniel!
Okay, here I go.
Oh my goodness, the girls are throwing balloons already. Oh boy. Oh boy.
My face is soaking wet.
It is Daniel. Oh my gosh.
That's it, girls. Keep them coming.
Yeah, Daniel. There's V. V's leaving her throw zone. V's kind of cheating, leaving her throw. Oh my gosh, Daniel. Good job protecting me, Daniel.
Here we go. I got you, Chad.
Yeah.
He's not gonna hurt you.
Oh! Ouch! That sounded like it hurt.
That one was hot. These water balloons are full of hot water.
You're getting soaked, Daniel.
Just as long as my water
Whoa, Regina!
No!
Wow!
I knocked it down!
Whoa, wow.
There's still a little bit left. Look, see all that?
Oh, you
I got to at least
make it to the finish line, Daniel. You got this, Daniel. Come on.
I
Yay!
Yay!
Let's see how much water you got left, Daniel.
There's nothing.
Couple drops.
One
Couple
drop.
drops.
Maybe you can squeeze some from your shirt in there.
Oh yeah. Here we go.
Hey!
There we
there's
go.
some water.
Nice. It would seem that I'm in last place, but you haven't gone yet, Chad.
That is true. We need one of the boys to beat one of the girls at least.
Oh no, you're huge. Easier target.
Yep.
I've never had so many compliments. Feels good. 3, 2, 1, here I go!
Oh!
Oh! Hey, you trying to get me all soaking wet? Oh, I'm down to Regina's level already. One more drop and she beats me.
Oh no!
Oh! Oh! Yes! Oh! I'm gonna hide behind these towers.
Ready for this, Chad?
Yeah, Daniel. Ah!
Oh no! Oh my gosh!
It bounced off my abs of steel.
Oh my gosh!
Ah!
Ah! I'm getting all wet!
Sorry, man. Oh, shoot!
Oh!
Another one!
She knocked it out of my hand again, just like she did to Daniel. How much water do I have left? Hey, it's up to about here. The winner is Regina, but we're not done yet because Mr. E said that there will be 2 more rounds.
What?
Of different challenges. Let's go.
All right, Spy Ninjas, Mr. E told us to create a brand new TikTok dance and it needs to go viral, so we need your help.
Good thing we got Regina over here.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you got the body roll down. Oh yeah.
Dang, Daniel. Dang, Daniel. How do you move like that, Daniel?
It's called having some confidence in your body.
Wow. I gotta learn that.
So we're awesome at doing TikTok dances, but let's face it, we're just copying a bunch of other people. That's what TikTokers do.
We need to be more original, you're saying, Daniel.
Yeah, we gotta create our own TikTok dance. I mean, that's what Mr. E said.
Let's put our creative minds together and create one.
It has to be something awesome. Something that Spy Ninjas can do at home.
Like this?
It's like the balloon, you know, they see in the highway that's trying to attract the wacko. Yeah. That's
The what?
it is.
The wacky inflatable tube man.
Oh.
Like this, yeah.
We can all do that.
Step 1.
Step 1. Daniel, let's see yours.
You come up with step 2.
Like that?
There we go. Let's see your step 1. There we
Oh,
go.
gosh.
Very nice.
Try it, Chad.
Selling cars. It's about being confident in your body.
Yeah, Chad.
I learned that from you, Daniel.
You sure did.
Remember way back when you taught me that?
It's called having some confidence in your body.
Well, I came up with the first move. Someone else come up with the next move.
If I'm gonna create a dance, I need music. I gotta feel the rhythm.
What about my favorite, the aerobics?
Wow.
You gotta do the head thing. Do-do-do-do-do.
I'm dizzy now. Okay, that'll work. That'll work.
All right, I like it. I like it.
When you make a TikTok video, you gotta have a cool walk-on intro. So, we should do it on the stage, right up here. With our plaques in the background. It's gonna be beautiful.
Ooh.
We're coming in. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then peekaboo. Look. And then peekaboo. Look.
Or if you're in Friends, you know what this means. Friends? Ross and Rachel? She did this to him.
No.
Oh, friends.
You know, the TV show.
Oh, not real friends? Daniel, what's next?
I'm not a good dancer, guys.
Just feel it. Close your eyes and let it come to you.
Daniel, you're the one who taught me. Just let it all loose, brother.
When did that happen?
Like 1 minute ago.
It's called having some confidence in your body.
Confidence, Daniel. Your body is flawless. You are a temple. Grab stuff. Grab stuff.
So it's like you're shopping at the grocery store. Like, ooh, there's some nice cereal. Grab
Yeah.
it in the cart. Over here, some peas. Grab it, put it in the cart.
And you gotta make sure when you grab it,
Uh-huh.
you also...
Yep. Oh, you got the booty.
The booty has to, pop that booty.
Oh, it's like grab some from the refrigerator, close the door.
Oh!
You start with the left. You go...
Pop. You've inspired me, Daniel. Let me try something
Oh,
here.
nice.
You're grabbing lots of stuff off the grocery store shelf. You're like, yeah. And then you go, whoa! Whoa! That's your move, Daniel.
Oh, I love it, Chad. Thanks.
The noodle man will follow this noodle move. So after this, then we go, whoa! And then we're down. We do the leapfrog from down here. We go, boing, high five.
Oh my.
Boy.
Oh no, Chad.
Come on, ladies. It's gonna be the greatest TikTok dance ever, everywhere and ever. Ready?
Alright guys, this next challenge is called Don't Flinch Challenge.
And don't make a noise challenge. It's almost midnight.
Alright guys, and we don't want to wake up our neighbors because it's kind of rude, so we're gonna be quiet.
If you make a noise, you fail the challenge. So what you gotta do is you gotta sit in this chair right here while a water balloon fills up above your head. You don't know when it's gonna pop, but it's gonna be crazy and scary and wet. Here's the contraption. Fills up with water. Splash. Ready, Daniel?
How am I not gonna scream?
Oh, I guess we'll find out. Have a seat.
Okay. Fine. Let me get this straight. The balloon's just gonna keep expanding with water until it can't hold anymore, and then it just bursts on my head.
That's exactly right, Daniel, and you can't flinch or scream.
Come on, Danny boy, I can believe in you. You're not gonna flinch, you're gonna remain calm.
Start the water going in the balloon. Is it expanding?
It's filling fast.
Don't scream, stay calm. I'm just gonna keep my eyes wide open.
It's dripping on your head already, Daniel.
I'm fine with little drips. As long as it's not on my head, it'll be fine. Did it pop yet?
Nope. Daniel, you did a great job of not screaming. That was great.
It is so cold.
I think I would be fine if I wasn't aware of how cold it was. Once that cold water hits me, I'm just gonna like cringe and flinch. Because it's cold, not because I'm surprised.
It's getting bigger.
It's already dripping on me. I will not flinch. Are you ready for this?
I'm ready.
The balloon is getting
I'm
bigger.
gonna look at the slow-mo camera and not even flinch. Oh my gosh. Why is it so cold, Daniel? Remember the ice water challenge? This is worse. It's going down my butt crack right now.
No way! No way! You didn't even flinch, Chad!
Chad, you're making a mockery out of me.
No, you're gonna do really great.
Here, Regina, I think you're next. I'm holding the camera already.
I know
so I
you're
think
gonna
I'll
do
film
great.
you.
You can go ahead,
I think you
show
should
me
do
what's
first
up.
because, you know, I'm already holding it. So yeah, just go ahead. Get ready. Regina. Yeah. Regina. Yeah. Regina. Yeah. Regina.
Okay. My tushy cold.
Are you excited, Regina?
Well, the one thing I'm really nervous about is that I'm gonna scream and wake up all the neighbors. I don't want that to happen. Holy crap, my heart is beating so fast. Y'all, I can't do that.
She reacted, and then she's like, oh, I'm not supposed to finish. And then she's like,
Great job, everyone. That's the end of the video.
That's not true.
Shout out to all you spy ninjas
Mr. E's gonna
who
get back
show up
in.
whenever
You don't wanna click
I
away
post
yet.
a brand new video in the first 60 minutes.
No, it's not true.
I'm gonna
Mr. E. Oh, Mr. E's calling. He says V's up next.
Yeah. Come on.
Here you go, V. Here's your towel.
That's a hand towel.
It's big enough for your body. Look at it. It covers your whole body.
No, not my legs. I don't like Mr. E, Project Zorgo, water.
You ready for these?
No, my heart's beating super fast right now.
All right, no flinching, V. No flinching.
Coming up.
Got this girl. She did not flinch. Look at her stone cold face. She looks like a supermodel coming out of a waterfall.
Mental strength. All right, Mr. E, you did all of your challenges. What happens now? Oh, wait. Did you guys hear that?
Doorbell at midnight? Who could be ringing the doorbell this late at night?
That's creepy.
I see somebody out there.
Is it Mr. E?
Get ready to battle.
Oh, it's just Dax.
Yes.
Why are you here?
Anytime delivery, duh. Isn't it like too late to like have a pool party?
Wait, you can have fun anytime, Dax.
Yeah. Cool. Well, I hope you have fun with this package.
Who's it from?
Yeah, who's this from?
I don't know. Read the label.
Are you sure it's to us, Dax? There's no names on it.
Yeah, whoever's trying to send it was like, they need it now.
Thanks, Dax.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night, Daxton.
Oh, okay, let's open this box.
All right, bye, Dax.
Here.
Oh, jeez.
What the heck?
What the heck? It says, Spy Ninjas, to find the GKC school, you will need these tools. E.
What tools?
Tools? Minecraft! Oh my gosh!
The next video is gonna be on the EPZ channel. We're gonna be in Minecraft, thanks to Mr. E.
Thank you to all you notification ninjas who show up when I post a brand new video in the first 16 minutes. I'm showing your comments right here. Make sure to subscribe to me, to Chad, to Daniel, and Regina. And we will see you in the next video on EPZ. Kick bump out!
Kick bump!